Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I greet you with your time. Guys, let's prepare dinner together. Our dinner for today is dodo and fried egg. So now I'm just washing my plantain before I dice the plantain. That is what I'm just doing. I just rinsed all the dust out of it. It's must, you must do that. It's very important, guys. So when I finish with that, I just dry the plantain a little bit. So I finished washing the plantain. I just put it on the tray to drain out a little bit. So the plantain is ready to be diced, guys. So now I already peel it off. I'm going to slice it to my taste of size. So that is what I'm just doing. Just keep on washing. I am done with the slicing, so I just put a little bit of salt on the plantain and I'm going to mix it together. I just mix together, and when my oil is already on the pan waiting for me in the fire, I'm going to fry the plantain right now. I'm just dropping it on the hot oil. So keep on washing, guys. So the plantain is on the fire, guys. So it's on the medium heat. When it's too hot, the plantain will not get done, it will be burning. So that is the reason why you should put it on medium heat. I'm just flipping it over for the other side to done as well. So that is what I'm just doing, guys. If you watch me to this moment, it means you are enjoying the video. Of course you are enjoying it. It's really a wonderful video. Forget to subscribe, share to friends and family. God bless you as you do so. So it's already, the plantain is already done, so I'm packing it up. I will continue the process. See how beautiful the dodo look like on the fire. Wow, it really look amazing, guys. So I just continue the process. I'm done with the frying. So look at the plantain, it really look amazing. So the next process is to dice my onions for the fried egg. So I have my tomatoes here, my bell pepper and my onion. So that is what I'm going to do the next thing. Now I'm just dicing my tomatoes. I'm going to do the same thing to all the what I'm going to use. Now I'm just packing the tomatoes out. I continue the same process. When I'm done with that, I just fry everything together. I am done with the dicing, so I continue the process of frying. I have my oil, I add a little bit of salt. So now I add my onion. I will just continue frying everything. So that's what I'm doing on this video right now as demonstrated. I just go one after the other. I have everything here on the pan, so I just leave it to fry for a few minutes. So now I'm going to break my egg into a bowl. So I'm done with the breaking of the egg. I just add some spices on the egg. So the next thing, I will mix very well to be well combined with the spices I just added into the egg. So I check what we have on the fire. I add a little bit of pepper. So I stir a little bit. I just wait for a few minutes and I add some ingredients also. What we have on the fire is ready to receive the missing egg. So I just pour the egg inside the pot. I will wait for a few minutes before I mix it together because I want to have that crunchy egg. So I just stir a little bit, not much, after a few seconds when I pour the egg. Look at it, guys. Look at it. Tell me if this is not looking yummy. It is. Look how beautiful it is. Food is soon be ready. Prepare, guys. Let's enjoy this food together. I really appreciate your watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share to friends and family. Thank you and enjoy the food. Bye. See you on my next video.